decided to go to Monaco for the day, well, for the afternoon. We're gonna go sit by the casino, have a couple of drinks, watch the cars, and then go to one of my dad's favorite restaurants. We're just walking through the port of Antibes now, over to the train station. We'll take the train from Antibes to Monaco, which takes about an hour, so it's not too bad. The nice thing is it is air conditioned, and the really beautiful thing, and one of my favorite things about public transport in the south of France, is that the train actually goes along the coast. We made it to Monte Carlo. We're just in the train station. Okay, so behind me is the famous Monte Carlo Casino. It's really famous, mainly because of James Bond and the really fancy cars that tend to hang out here. So a lot of people will just stroll over here, not even to that, but just look at the cars. Behind me is a really nice outdoor cafe. You can sit and have a drink, watch the cars go by. It's one of my dad's favorite things to do. We just went into the casino. You can, if you'd like, pay to go into the main betting bit. It's really beautiful. Even if you're not into betting, it's worth going in just to see the architecture because it's stunning. It's about €15 per person to go in, but that does give you a €10 credit to play on machines. My sister and I won once or twice, nothing big, a couple euro. No big winners here tonight, but at the end of the day, we're all getting to hang out in Monaco, so I think we're all kind of winners. It looks like our table's ready. Let's go grab a drink. we just finished an amazing Italian dinner at Le Terrazzino, which, if you're in Monaco, is one of the more affordable, very delicious places to eat. So I'm here with my sister Lexi and my dad Sam, who's going to walk by us. Lexi, it was her first time here. What did you think? Did it live up to the hype?
It was super cool, super hilly, super beautiful, lots of amazing cars. Love the casino. We played the slots. Dinner was phenomenal, and we had a good time.
Yes!